Somebody asked me the other day, what's the biggest mistake that you see business owners make? Well, from the beginning, one of the biggest mistakes is not hiring an accountant right from the start and waiting until you have enough money to pay your accountant. The other biggest mistake is commingling funds, business and personal funds. So it'd be like paying your personal expenses through the business. That's really bad. Not just because we're nerdy accountants and we don't want you to do that. No, it's because from a legal perspective, you have this entity. It's an LLC, it's a corporation, whatever you set up. Every time you run a personal transaction through the business, you're chipping away like a hammer from the inside of your shield, diminishing its integrity or ability to protect you. I'm not an attorney, but if you don't have one, you're going to want to talk to one about that. From a tax perspective, if you're under audit and the IRS sees that you're running personal expenses through the company, assuming you're communicating with your accountant and letting them know that it's personal and they classify it correctly and not deduct it, right? That'd be illegal. Still, it raises a reasonable suspicion with the IRS that you are not showing respect to the corporation and that you probably got some personal expenses on the books, even if they're whoopsies. So, do the right thing, even if it's hard. Transfer money from the business account to the personal account and spend the money on personal expenses from there. And keep your receipts. And for another slice of tax advice, follow, like, and subscribe.